How to disable comments on idea pin on Pinterest easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to disable comments on a pin on Pinterest. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you can create a new pin on your Pinterest. You can open up your Pinterest on your laptop or on your mobile phone. It will take you right here. So if you already have pins created, then you can just select a previous one and you can disable comments, or you can create a new one too. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my profile here and select one of the pins that I have already created. So we can select the pin and then we can disable comments. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to all pins here. So you have to select the one that we created. So I'm going to go with this one. Here I can disable comments. Click on these three dots that you see at the top right corner. Then you can see we have edit pin, allow comments, copy link, and download image. So in allow comments, if this is green, you can see, then the comments are actually turned on. To turn them off, click on these three dots and then you will actually just click on this disable button and you can see comments turned off. And you can undo this anytime you want, and you can see this is disabled. I can enable them as well from the same option. So this is how you can disable and enable comments on Pinterest. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.